Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we will try to create a website with ChatGPT. Okay, let's start the video. Here I asked to create an e-commerce website program with HTML and CSS. And the ChatGPT starts writing the program. Then I created an index.html, style.css, and script.js files in Visual Studio Code. And I linked those CSS and JavaScript files in index page. I created a folder with name images and I placed some images in that folder. I copied the code and I pasted it in Visual Studio. This is the website we created. And I made some CSS changes for ChatGPT, then I pasted it in Visual Studio Code. Finally, this is the website we created with the help of ChatGPT. It looks pretty good. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe for more videos.